Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will discuss how to fix Bluetooth keep stopping on Android. So, if you are experiencing any such issue with your Bluetooth on your Android phone or tablet, then you must watch this video. Here, you are going to explore both the manual and automatic ways to deal with this problem. So, let's get started. Before heading towards the solution, make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Solution 1. Restart your phone. In the first method, we are going to try a basic troubleshooting way to fix this problem, which is restarting the phone. If your Bluetooth is not working or keeps stopping, then it might be happening due to the device glitch. In this case, you must restart your phone, as doing this mostly fixes this kind of issue. To do this, long press the power button. Select the restart option. Now, let the device restart properly, then check if the issue has been resolved or not. Solution 2. Clear cache and data of Bluetooth. The second way to resolve the Bluetooth crashing issue on your Android device is clear the cache and data of the Bluetooth app. If your Bluetooth app's cache data got corrupted due to any possible reason, then you may face this problem. Hence, to fix it, you need to clear out the cache data. For this, open the phone settings. Go to the apps. Tap on the Bluetooth. Go to the storage option. And tap on the clear cache button. After doing this, enable the Bluetooth and check if it is working or not. Solution 3. Update your Android device. The next method to deal with this issue is updating your phone. If your phone has missed any recent update and running the outdated version of the OS, then you may experience these kinds of issues. So, to fix it, open the phone settings. Go to the system option. Tap on the system update. If there is a new update available for your system, then tap on the download update button. Once your phone is updated, restart your phone and check whether doing this fixed the issue or not. Solution 4. Use Android Repair Tool. If you are still encountering the Bluetooth keep stopping issue on your Android phone, then it's high time to use the Android Repair Tool. This issue may also happen due to the Bluetooth app crashing error. In this case, there is no better option to fix this problem except using the Android Repair Tool. This tool has been specifically designed to deal with such problems. You can use it to fix many other Android issues, such as to fix Android stuck in the boot loop, black screen of death error, firmware update stuck, and many more. So, if you want to give it a shot, then download this tool. The downloading link is given in the description box below. With this, we came to the end of this video. We hope the given methods helped you in fixing the Bluetooth issue on your Android device. If you want to see more videos like this, then make sure to subscribe to our channel and don't forget to share this video with others. Thanks for watching.